I've got a pair of our Instru-Met 1,000-pound wedge action grips set up in our frame for the test we're about to run, which are manufactured right here in our shop in Union, New Jersey. Over to the side, I have a selection of a few of our pneumatic grips that we also manufacture. For example, here's our 20-pound, as well as a 500-pound and 1,000-pound pneumatic grips. We also offer various capacities for our wedge action grips as well. And in addition to manufacturing grips, we also will repair your old grips, as well as rebuild any older grips or fixtures that you might have. I've opened up a pre-configured template that contains all the settings necessary to run a simple ASTM tensile test. I've also placed a rubber dog bone in between our grips and marked in green the area where we would normally attach our high elongation extensometer to. When putting a specimen in our grips, it's always important to ensure the specimen remains centered in the grips, as well as the grips are nice and tight.
Here we are, running a test using TestSuite, software that ships with our newest frames. It's a powerful industry standard software package with a high amount of customizability as well as built-in ASTM standard tests. Instru-Met also offers remote training and on-site training for all our software packages and develops custom test methods.
This concludes our test. Visit our website for more information about our products and services, or give us a call. Stay tuned.